I can't believe this. This is crazy. Okay, I figured it out. This is the metal tube that goes on here. The problem is some doofus put silicone on this thing to stop the oil leak. The problem with that is the oil leak was because this valve gasket is completely destroyed. That's why it was leaking, not because it needed silicone. So this thing fused to the cylinder and it's got all this stupid silicone inside the tube, which I gotta clean out now, but this fused to the side of the cylinder wall of the spark plug chamber, the spark plug tube, and when I pulled this guy out, this ripped off. I don't think it's going to cause a problem in terms of functionality, but seriously, someone's putting... Are you kidding me? That's not the way to fix that. You have to change the seal. Anyway, all right. I just I can't believe that. I just can't believe it.